Saturday, July 25th. It is 38 degrees this morning. A little nippy for a July morning, but that's the way it is in this part of the country sometimes. I have not been able to establish communications with Michelle. I have no idea right now. I'm going to assume that they are probably loading the boat at the moment.
That's the bush living, where our hearts are free.
Okay, just got this Johnson put back together. Let's see if it's even going to start and run. I'm still not sure it's not going to miss and spit and sputter. Whoa! All right. That's with 2 new spark plugs, and it still is not running very smooth. Yeah, it's still missing pretty bad. So it's obviously coils. Could be carburation, but I don't think so. I think it's electrical. I see the river has dropped just a tad, not too much. It would be really nice if the bow of the boat was even with the top of the bank here, but right now we'll take what we can get. And I didn't get it on video, but I was able to get this Johnson engine off. What I did, I just roped it up and used to come along and pulled it up here on the bank. I've got to pull it on up now and get it up on the rack. And then I'm going to order some parts for it. Well, it's a fall-like morning in July, and not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing other than just waiting. I have no communications with Michelle right now, and because even though she's probably only about a mile away from a friend's place that has Starlink, she is probably busy helping load the boat. Then they've got to take care of the truck and trailer and then get back to the boat and then take 2 hours to get from there to here. So it's just a waiting game at the moment. All right, in anticipation of their arrival, I have rigged up the block and tackle here. This is for the propane tanks, and this should work much easier than trying to throw a propane tank up on my shoulder and walk it up this steep bank. So once they're here, we will see how well this is going to work. Okay, I have finally heard from Michelle. Boat was loaded. They were preparing to come this way, and the engine died on the Landau, and they have been unable to get it started since. So to be on the safe side, I guess Frank called a buddy of his. They've gone to pick up a smaller boat, and I have no idea. I just know smaller boat, that's it. So I don't know how much smaller. It better not be too much smaller, because there's an awful lot on that Landau right now. Hopefully they can get it all here. And I am in limbo due to the fact that Michelle's Zoleo, the battery on it is almost dead. So she lost the charging cable. She didn't actually lose it. She misplaced it. It's there somewhere. And she's been unable to keep it turned on. So I'm waiting. Yeah.
Are you?
Oh yes, very. No. No.
No. No. Stay. 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 No. Stay. No. What was that? No. 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 I know. I love you too.
That line there, that purple one.
The purple one.
Oh, okay.
I know you want to see me. Yeah. No, stay. Up. So we're in here for you.
Come on up.
No. How much do I owe you? You got a stick attached. The stick or something looks like it's okay. You're good.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you next month.
Yep.
Thank you.
I was sitting down there so low and I couldn't see anything, and he gunned it, and the thing went like this. And I'm going, uh-oh.
Oh, he forgot to put his gas can back together.
Oh. Is he going to be okay
Yeah.
floating like that?
Well, everything critical that needed to go back to the cabin is back there now, and what remains are some, well, this 100-pound propane bottle that I'll have to use the block and tackle to get it up onto the top of the bank. And then, of course, this engine. Yes, this engine. So if any of you guys out there have any suggestions on how to mount this thing, with it sitting in the water like this, I still have to do the oil on it. That's the only thing that's needed. I think Michelle and I will be able to just pick it up, slide it over the stern there, and lock it in place. It is a short shaft, thank goodness. So then I'll get the fuel line hooked up and the tank and all that. Make sure that all the, I don't have to tend to grease zerks. So that's all been done, taken care of. The prop is on. It's locked in place. So tomorrow morning, we got to get this engine mounted. Well, thanks everybody for watching as I bat the mosquitoes away here. We will have a full video on Michelle's supply run, which has been interesting to say the least. But if you would like this video, share it, leave us a comment, and above all, subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you next time right here on Alaska Bush Living.
Alaska bush living, where our hearts